In today's drive-by from Condo Sidekick, we're going to take a look at the progress being made at a 5-story condo building in South Boston at 45 L Street. The most notable difference since our last drive-by in July is on the ground floor, where you'll see that the ground floor exterior has been framed out. So in this video, you'll see the progress being made of the building and the immediate neighborhood. So let's go take a look. You are looking at the progress being made at 45 L Street in South Boston on September 20th, 2018. Since our last drive-by in July, it appears that not much has really progressed, but when you look inside, a lot has. So we're walking by 45 L Street, and you'll see that the exterior framing is up. The exterior on the bottom ground floor, which will be retail, is coming along. And 45 L Street is a 5-story mixed-use condo building, which will have 30 residential units, and will also have garage parking at the ground level as well. Residents will also have access to a fitness room and a meeting center, so a lot is included with 45 L Street. 45 L Street is located just a block away from Broadway, so you'll have easy access to all the dining and shopping that Broadway has to offer. And it's also close to the Medal of Honor Park, so a green space is right around the corner. In that direction is the seaport, so you'll have access to everything that the seaport has to offer, with all the restaurants and everything going on down there. So this is 45 L Street in South Boston in September 2018.